Hi kids, my name is Kelly, and in this lesson we're going to be putting together the practice and knowledge that you've gained over the past 3 lessons in this series, and we're going to play chord progressions. So grab your ukulele, because it's time to make some music. Welcome to the 4th part of this ukulele series for children. If you missed the first parts, click this link right here and make sure you do those videos first. Also, if you're new to this channel, please click the link and bell below so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos in this series. For this lesson, you will need a ukulele and an optional guitar pick. Also, I recommend tuning your ukulele before the lesson. That's described in the first lesson in this series. In this lesson, we'll be practicing the chords that we've already learned: C major, A minor, and F major in different combinations called chord progressions. Check out this one right here. Let's take a look at our example. Here we see the chord diagrams listed above: C major, F major, A minor, and G major. We haven't learned this one yet, but we will later in this lesson. Below we see these rhythm slashes. There are 4 per chord. That means we strum each chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 on C major, switch to F major, 1, 2, 3, 4 strums, switch to A minor, strum, 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 switch to G major, 1, 2, 3, 4 more strums. Let's talk about strumming for a minute. There are many ways to strum the ukulele. We can use our thumb. We can also use a guitar pick like this. If you don't have a guitar pick for this lesson, that's okay, just use your thumb. To hold a guitar pick, hold it between your thumb and your pointer finger like this. You can also hold it between 3 fingers like this. Either way works. Let's play some chord progressions. In our first chord progression, we're going to play C major and strum it 4 times. Next, we're going to switch to A minor and strum that 4 times. Now we're going to switch back to C major, 4 strums, and A minor again, 4 strums. Let's talk about playing C major. When we first learned C major in this series, we used our pointer finger like this. But now I would like you to use your ring finger. That's also called your 3rd finger. 1, 2, 3, like this. Let's practice that chord progression again. C major, 4 strums. 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Excellent job. If you feel like this is a good pace for you, let's continue. If you feel like I'm moving too quickly, or you don't know where C major or A minor are, go back to the earlier lessons in this series so you can practice more. Let's play another chord progression. In this example, we see that we're going to start by playing A minor 4 times. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we see F major, and we're supposed to strum that 4 times as well. In the last video, I described how we can switch from A minor to F major quickly. First, you play A minor with your middle finger like this, and then with your pointer finger, you come down to the 1st string, 1st fret, and then you come up 1 more string like this, so that you're on the 1st fret, 2nd string like this, F major. So now we strum F major 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in our chord progression, we see C major, and we strum that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, what comes next? There isn't a chord written there. No need to panic. I didn't forget to write in the chord. If you don't see a chord written above a measure with strums, it just means repeat what you did in the last measure. In this example, it means play C again. So here we go, C major, 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's practice that progression again. A minor, 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major, 4 strums. Add our finger here. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major, 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major again, 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do it again, see if you can follow along. A minor. F major. C major. C major again. Superb! Now there's one other symbol we need to discuss before we continue. It's called a rest. We can see the rest symbol right here. To play a rest, what you do is you mute the strings by just touching them with your ukulele. So for example, if I was strumming C major and I needed to do a rest, I would just touch the strings like this. In this example, we see a whole rest, which looks like a black triangle. What that means is we rest for 4 counts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, it's just 4 beats of silence. Let's try a jam track. Whew, that was a long one. But hey, good job, because now you're one step closer to being able to play music that can be heard in movies, radio, and streaming. Yay! Speaking of popular songs, in our next video, we're gonna be learning chord progressions to some very well-known music, so don't miss that one.
Yes!
Before we do that, we need to learn one more important chord called G major, which sounds like this.
Whoa, dude.
I saved G major for last, because it's the most difficult of the 4 chords that we've learned thus far. To play G major, we're gonna need to use 3 fingers, and we're gonna start by using our pointer finger and pressing down on the 2nd fret, 3rd string right here. It's kind of like A minor, except on A minor you're on the top string like this, but this one you come down like this, okay? So 2nd fret, 3rd string. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your middle finger and you're gonna play on the bottom string, the 1st string, 2nd fret, like this. Now you see that there's a string going in between those fingers like that. And on that string that's going in between those fingers, you're gonna use your ring finger and you're gonna play the 3rd fret, 2nd string, like this. Okay, let's practice that again. G major, pointer finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. Middle finger, 2nd fret, 1st string. Ring finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Okay, I'm going to give you a closer up view of this so you can see how I'm doing it. Pointer fingers on the 2nd fret, 3rd string right here. Your middle fingers on the 2nd fret, 1st string. And your ring fingers on the 3rd fret, 2nd string like that. Your fingers should make a triangle shape. If your G major sounds muted like this,
Oh, man.
that's okay, because often it takes several tries to get it to sound clean. You might have to wiggle your fingers around a little bit like this while they're in place, just to get the notes to sound clearer. If it still sounds muted and there's nothing you can do to fix it, that's okay, just play it anyway, because eventually it will sound clean. Let's review what we learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned about chord progressions, and we also learned how to play the chord G major. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to play chord progressions to some well-known songs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was fun and helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next awesome lesson in this ukulele series. Thanks, dudes!